What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today we're doing a little maintenance on the 757 John Deere. This video is going to be super quick, but be sure to keep an eye out for the blade video coming up next. We're going to be replacing the blades. So in this video, super simple job, but it's going to keep your motor clean. We're going to be replacing the air filter. Now you'll notice I was actually able to get a John Deere air filter directly off of Amazon, and let's hope it fits. I bet it will. There's two clips, one here, one here, and that allows you to remove the cap. Note that the cap has an up arrow. You want that to be back up when you put it back. So as you can see, old BT Willa has let his air filter get pretty dirty. And actually the previous owner, this is the first time I've done it, put a Wix air filter in. And alright, toss that, take your new filter. You can see the internal filter there is still very clean, so we didn't do any damage. Now it's a little tricky. As you can see, you got to kind of twist it to get it down in there real good. We're going to get it back to up. Now there's a little, there's a wire down here that tries to get in your way. Just gotta kind of move that. Up is up. Our clips just boom, boom. And guess what? We're gonna have some clean air going into the motor. Again, we're gonna be putting some blades in next. Be sure to subscribe if you have one of these mowers, guys. I'm gonna be keeping you up to date on what to do to keep it in good shape and running forever. Alright, have a good one.